Okay, this is 2 minute chart. And early on in 15-minute chart, I have drawn the support and resistance lines in yellow color. I have entered the trade when this engulfing candle occur, and then the next two candle was closing above the simple moving average. So that gave me the confidence to enter into a buy trade. And the trades entered now is making £10 profits. And this resistance will be a guideline for me to observe this trade as it continue to move upwards. So whenever it comes towards it, I am waiting to see how the trade react to those lines. If it's a negative candles coming down, close and engulfing the green, then I will close the trade and wait. But if it's not, if the trades continue to go up and cross over, then it's a trade that I would hang on to it. So every time we come to these steps, I will be careful and watch over the trade and see what is going on and let the candle tell me what is going on. Okay, so hopefully once every single steps when it's crossed over, I will also look into the 15-minute charts and see how the price relate to the simple moving average in the 15-minute charts. When I come nearest to it, approach to it, it could be a possible of a correction. So I have to see how the trade is reacting towards that when it happens. So probably I might end up taking profits in the 15-minute chart at simple moving average and then wait for the corrections and re-enter again based on 2 minute charts and so on. All right. Bear in mind, we are only capturing a rebound since EURJPY is on the way down in the week chart and in the month chart. So we are only capturing a rebound as it has dropped for over 2 weeks. So there should be a nice correction, rebounds occur. So we are capturing the rebound to the upside to where the resistance zone is. And once it's touched the resistance zones in the 4 hour chart, it will be a reverse trade. Okay, so we are just capturing a rebound. Okay, it's not going to be a long trade for long term. All right, understand that. Okay, so anytime as we trade on this, there is a chance for the ED to come in and push the price back down sharp and quick. So we have to be very alert on this, and it would be good if you put the stop loss just below the support and resistance zone at the bottom in the 4 hour chart, which I have shared with you early on. We enter into a buy trade based on 2 minute charts. We are capturing the trade going up towards the next resistance. That is a target that we are aiming at. Okay. Okay. After a long wait, almost 2 hours of waiting, my entry was here as the price move along and climb above the simple moving average. So I make a trade here, and unfortunately he climbed up and then he retreated back down, and then he was here for almost 2 hours before he's finally climbed back to the simple moving average again, and now it's very clear that it seems like it's going to go above the rest of those candles and it's moving further high. So I'm going to wait now for this price candles to climb up towards this area. That is a place that I'm going to wait and see is the price has the power to climb over it, or will there be a return back into a negative candles. And if that is the case, then I will close the trade and wait for a little bit longer. I have to be very careful with this support. Okay, the price returned back to the support area, which has been struggled along at this resistance and support level. There's a lot of tug and war here. It's good, nice, that looks good. If this candle could not climb above this one, I will close the trade. Although the trade itself is looking positive towards the upside, as you can see. Okay, we'll come back in a few minutes time and see how the trade is going. Okay, brilliant. The price climbs above this, so I'm gonna watch this one now and see is this candle gonna turn back into a negative candle. If that is, then I will close the trade. If it's not, I will just continue to watch this trade to climb higher. It's looking good. Aiming for this one now. Okay. In this time, it would be best for me to set a stop gain here. Okay, because sometimes the elites move the price so fast that you wouldn't have time to stop it. So it will be best once you make a certain profit and you're happy with, raise up your stop gain level into a place that you feel comfortable with, and then let the trade run and continue its journey towards the directions that you expect to go. If any happens in any second of the time where the elite swoosh plan to short the market back down, at least you have a safe net to protect your profits. Another nice green candle finish, but not so good because why? Because this green candle, although it's green, is not climbing above this. So there is a weakness here. So I have to watch this candle very carefully because this candle could come down, break the support here, and then return to this support zone. So if that happens, I would rather take my profits and wait to re-enter into the trade again here. So far you can see I'm actually using the month chart, the week chart, and 4-hour chart to analyze the directions, the possibility of the directions and the confidence that I need to trade. And then I use 15 minutes to draw out the support and resistance lines. And then I'm using 2 minutes to find the best location to enter into a buy trade. Okay, now this candle needs to remain green. Break the green candles, becoming engulfing red, I also will close the trade. So I'm going to move this up to here. Oh, well, the buying power is still strong, still pushing. That's good. Okay, so that again close in a green candle, and that's a positive one. But unfortunately, you see that this three here is none of these candles managed to climb above the previous one. So that's one little sign that is not so positive. That's actually become a resist zone. Instead of this one, it's actually moved down here a bit. So I might have to close this trade and wait for it to come back down to retest the simple moving average, which is around this area here, before I enter into a buy trade again. So let's close this one now and wait a little bit longer. Okay, the trade's closed, and I'm going to enter again here, or maybe when I touch the simple moving average later on around here.